Howdy everyone. Today in this video you will learn how to add quick parts to quick access toolbar. So there are two methods to add the quick parts to quick access toolbar. First method is simply click on new email. Now from the quick access toolbar there is an downward arrow which is drop down arrow. Click here. You will have to click now on the more commands and you will see some customized quick access toolbar already available here, which you can also see on your top left corner of your screen. So choose command from. There are a lot of options. Select all commands and you will get all the commands and icons which is used in Microsoft Outlook here. Now all are arranged in the alphabetic order, so you have to jump to the Q series. So I simply drag my mouse to the Q series. Now here is my Q series and I will get my quick parts here. Select it, click add, and my quick parts is added in my customized quick access toolbar. Simply hit OK and you will see your quick access toolbar is added here. Now another method. Before that I have to remove from this here. Now the next method is simply go to the insert tab and you will see quick parts here in the text section. Click right mouse button and you will get an option add to quick access toolbar. Simply hit here and you will see the quick parts is again added in a quick access toolbar. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.